What do you mean? Where is your necklace?
What do you mean ستاسو مطلب دی Where is your necklace ستا غاړکۍ چیرته ده necklace ویل کیږي غاړکۍ ته
I don't know. It is not in my bag. That was very expensive.
I don't know زه نه پوهیږم It is not in my bag دا زما په بکسه کې نشته That was very expensive هغه ډیر قیمته و expensive ویل کیږي قیمته
I think someone stole it. I have to find it now.
I think زما په فکر someone stole it یو چا تختولی دی I have to find it now زه باید دا اوس پیدا کړم
What are you talking about? Who can steal it?
What are you talking about دا ته د څه باره کې خبرې کوي Who can steal it څوک کولی شي چې دا وتښتوي steal ویل کیږي ملګرو تښتول
You should check it again in your closet. You must have put it somewhere.
You should check it again in your closet ته باید دا دوباره په خپل المارۍ کې وګورې closet ویل کیږي یو مطلب المارۍ چې هغه ته موږ ډېر شیان پکې ږدو هر ځلې چې دی دا closet ویل کیږي دا ورته وایي چې ته باید دا دوباره په خپل المارۍ کې وګورې You must have put it somewhere تا به ضرور دا یو چیرته ایښی وي
That necklace price was an arm and a leg. Let's find it.
That necklace price was an arm and a leg د هغه غاړکۍ قیمت ډیر زیات قیمته و ډیر زیات قیمته و څه دی an arm and a leg مطلب چې د ډیر زیات قیمته شی هغه ته an arm and a leg مطلب دا دی څه دی very expensive Let's find it راځه چې دا پیدا کړو
What happened? Is everything okay? Jack, you look worried.
What happened څه واقع شول Is everything okay آیا هر څه ټیک دی Jack you look worried ته پریشان ښکارې
My diamond necklace is missing. I have searched my room.
My diamond necklace زما د الماسو غاړکۍ is missing ورکه ده I have searched my room ما خپله کوټه وکتله یعنې ما خپله کوټه کتلې ده
Have you seen my necklace? You came in my room last night.
Have you seen my necklace آیا تا زما غاړکۍ لیدلې ده You came in my room ته زما کوټې ته راغلی وې last night تېره شپه
What do you mean? I don't know about your necklace.
What do you mean ستاسو مطلب دی I don't know about your necklace زه ستا د غاړکۍ باره کې نه پوهیږم
Alexa, what are you trying to say? She is my sister.
Alexa what are you trying to say that ته څه کوشش کول غواړې چې ووایې She is my sister هغه زما خور ده
I just want to find my necklace. Can I check it in your room?
I just want to find my necklace زه یوازې غواړم چې خپله غاړکۍ پیدا کړم Can I check it in your room آیا کولی شم چې ستا په کوټه کې یې وګورم
Have you lost your mind? My sister cannot do this. She has everything.
Have you lost your mind آیا تا خپل دماغ له لاسه ورکړی دی mind ویل کیږي دماغو ته My sister cannot do this زما خور داسې نشي کولی زما خور داسې نشي کولی She has everything هغه هر څه لري
I am not saying anything, my love. Let's find my necklace.
I am not saying anything my love زه هیڅ هم نه وایم زما مینې Let's find my necklace راځه چې زما غاړکۍ پیدا کړو
I did not see your necklace. Fine, you can check it in my room.
I did not see your necklace ما ستا غاړکۍ نه ده لیدلې Fine ټیک ده You can check it in my room ته کولی شي چې زما په کوټه کې یې وګورې
Knock it off, Alexa. I will buy you a new necklace.
Knock it off Alexa ودرېږه Alexa Knock it off مطلب چې ده چې ودرېږه Alexa I will buy you a new necklace زه به تا ته یوه نوې غاړکۍ واخلم buy ویل کیږي اخیستلو ته
I don't want to waste your money. I will find my necklace.
I don't want to waste your money زه نه غواړم چې ستا روپۍ ضایع کړمه waste ویل کیږي ضایع کول I will find my necklace زه به خپله غاړکۍ پیدا کوم
What is it? Oh my God. Here is my necklace.
What is it دا څه دي Oh my god او زما خدایا here is my necklace دا دی زما غاړکۍ
You stole my necklace. How could you do this to me?
You stole my necklace تا زما غاړکۍ تښتولې How could you do this to me تا څنګه کولی شو چې ما سره داسې وکړې
I did not do anything. I had no idea about it.
I did not do anything ما هیڅ هم نه دی کړی I had no idea about it زه دې باره کې هیڅ نه پوهیږم
I am telling the truth, Alexa. Please believe me.
I am telling you the truth Alexa زه تا ته رښتیا وایم Alexa
I was not expecting this from you. I thought you were a good lady.
I was not expecting this from you ما تا څخه د دې تمه نه کوله expect ویل کېږي ملګرو تمه کول I thought ما فکر کوو you were a good lady چې ته یوه ښه ښځه یې
Jack, I did not steal that necklace. You have to believe me.
Jack, I did not steal that necklace ما هغه غاړکۍ نه تښتولې You have to believe me ته باید په ما باندې یقین وکړې Believe ویل کېږي یقین کول
Jack, your sister stole my necklace. She is a thief.
Jack, your sister stole my necklace تا خور زما غاړکۍ تښتولې She is a thief هغه یوه غله ده Thief ویل کېږي غل ته
My sister cannot do this. She is a good lady.
My sister cannot do this زما خور داسې نشي کولی She is a good lady هغه یوه ښه ښځه ده
What do you mean, Jack? You don't believe me.
What do you mean, Jack? ستاسو مطلب دی Jack You don't believe me ته ما باندې یقین نه کوې
You found your necklace. We have to close this chapter.
You found your necklace تا خپله غاړکۍ پیدا کړه We have to مونږ باید close this chapter دا پاڼه باید بنده کړو
I am going to work. I will see you tonight. Take care.
I am going to work زه کار ته ځمه I will see you tonight زه به تا سره نن شپې ته ګورم Tonight ویل کېږي نن شپه Take care خیال دې ساته
Why are you staring me like this? You are a thief.
Why are you staring me like this ته ولې ما داسې په غور سره ګورې Staring ویل کېږي ملګرو چاته په غور سره کتل You are a thief ته یوه غله یې
You accused me, Alexa. Why did you do this? You know I am innocent.
You accused me Alexa تا په ما باندې تهمت ولګوو Alexa accuse ویل کېږي تهمت لګول دروغ Why did you do this تا ولې داسې وکړل You know ته پوهیږي I am innocent چې زه معصومه یم بېګناه یم Innocent ویل کېږي بېګناه ته
I did not accuse you. I found my necklace in your room.
I did not accuse you ما په تا باندې تهمت ونه لګوو I found my necklace in your room ما خپل غاړکۍ ستا په کوټه کې پیدا کړه
I know you hate me a lot. You are a cunning lady.
I know زه پوهیږم you hate me a lot چې ته له ما څخه ډېر نفرت کوې You are a cunning lady ته یوه چالاکه ښځه یې Cunning ویل کېږي چالاکه
Keep your mouth shut. You are not a good girl. This is your real face.
Keep your mouth shut خوله دې بنده وساته You are not a good girl ته یوه ښه جنۍ نه یې This is your real face دا ستا حقیقي مخ دی
What do you want from me? Why did you do this?
What do you want from me ته له ما څخه څه غواړې Why did you do this تا ولې داسې وکړل
I don't hate
I don't hate you زه له تا څخه نفرت نه کوم
you. I am going to meet my mom. I miss my mom a lot. See,
I am going to meet my mom زه ځمه چې له خپلې مور سره ملاقات وکړم I miss my mom a lot زه خپله مور ډېر یادوم See you ګورو به
see you.
How are you, Noah? Emily talks a lot about you.
How are you Noah ته څنګه یې Noah Emily talks a lot about you Emily ستا باره کې ډېر خبرې کوي
You.
I am fine. I wanted to meet you. How are you?
I am fine زه ټیک یم. I wanted to meet you ما غوښتل چې د تا سره ملاقات وکړم. How are you ته څنګه یې؟
Where is your mom? I want to meet her. She did not come with you.
Where is your mom ستا مور چیرته ده؟ I want to meet her زه غواړم چې له هغې سره ملاقات وکړم. She did not come with you هغه تا سره نه ده راغلې.
She will visit next time. She has an important meeting.
She will visit next time هغه به راتلونکي یعنی next time راتلونکي وخت کې به لیدنه وکړي. visit ویل کېږي لیدنه کول. She has an important meeting هغه یو ډېر مهم میټینګ لري.
Oh, I see. Please have a seat. I will make tea for you.
Oh, I see خاص پوه شوم. دا مطلب څه دی؟ مطلب زه په ورسېدم. دا مطلب دی. Oh, I see مطلب دا ده. مطلب زه په ورسېدم یا زه پوه شوم. Please have a seat مهرباني وکړئ کښېنئ. I will make tea for you زه به ستاسو لپاره چای جوړ کړم.
Noah, I hope your mom will like me. Did you tell her about me?
Noah, I hope your mom will like me. زه امید لرم چې ستا مور به ما خوښه کړي. Did you tell her about me? آیا تا هغې ته زما باره کې وویلې؟
She is very happy, Emily. She will meet you soon.
She is very happy, Emily. هغه ډېره خوشحاله ده Emily. She will meet you soon. هغه به تا سره زر ملاقات وکړي.
Emily, I have a surprise for you.
Emily, I have a surprise for you. زه ستا لپاره یوه حیرانتیا لرم. Surprise ویل کېږي حیرانتیا ته.
What's the surprise? I cannot wait anymore.
What's a surprise? دغه حیرانتیا څه ده؟ I cannot wait anymore. زه نور انتظار نشم کولی.
I bought a house for you. We will stay there after our marriage.
I bought a house for you. ما ستا لپاره یو کور واخیسته. We will stay there. موږ به هلته پاتې کېږو after our marriage. وروسته زموږ د واده څخه.
Hello, my sister. How are you? I missed you.
Hello, my sister. سلام زما خورې. How are you? څنګه یې ته؟ I missed you so much. ما ته ډېره یادولې.
So much.
Alexa dear, I am fine. Thank God you came.
Alexa dear, Alexa خوږې. I am fine. زه ټیک یم. Thank God you came. شکر الله چې ته راغلې.
How was your vacation? Did you have
How was your vacation? ستا رخصتي څنګه وه؟ هغه رخصت دی. Did you have fun? آیا تا خوند واخیسته؟
fun?
It was fantastic. I had a lot of fun there. Who is he?
It was fantastic. هغه ډېر په زړه پورې و. خوندور مطلب ډېر ښه و. Fantastic ویل کېږي ډېر په زړه پورې ډېر ښه. I had a lot of fun there. ما هلته ډېر خوند درلوده. Who is he? Sister. هغه څوک دی خورې؟
Sister.
He is Noah my. We will marry soon.
He is Noah my fiance. هغه نووا ده زما fiance. Fiance ویل کېږي ملګرو چې کوزدې سره کړی وي خو واده یې نه یې کړی. صحیح ده؟ نو دا جنۍ ورته وایي چې دا زما دغه دا نووا چې ده که دا زما چې ده fiance ده. مطلب دې سره ما کوزده کړې ده خو واده مې ورسره نه ده کړی. دې ته fiance ویل کېږي. صحیح دی؟ We will marry soon. موږ به ډېر زر واده وکړو.
Really? I am so happy to hear that. My sister is getting married.
Really? په حقیقت سره I am so happy to hear that. زه ډېره خوشحاله یم چې دا مې واورېده. My sister is getting married. زما خور واده کېږي.
Nice to meet you, Noah. You are very handsome.
Nice to meet you, Noah. خوشحاله شوم چې له تا سره مې ملاقات وکړ Noah. You are very handsome. ته ډېر زیات ښایسته یې.
Nice to meet you too, Alexa. I am going to use the washroom.
Nice to meet you too, Alexa. زه هم خوشحاله شوم چې له تا سره مې ملاقات وکړ Alexa. I'm going to use the washroom. زه به تشناب استعمال کړم.
Noah loves me a lot. He bought a house for me. We will stay there after marriage.
Noah loves me a lot. Noah له ما سره ډېره مینه کوي. He bought a house for me. هغه زما لپاره یو کور واخیسته. We will stay there. موږ به هلته پاتې کېږو after marriage. د واده څخه وروسته.
What? A new house for Emily.
What's a new house for Emily? یو نوی کور د Emily لپاره.
Why is she so lucky? Why is she happy? I cannot stand her happiness.
Why is she so lucky هغه ولې دومره خوش قسمته ده lucky ول کېږي خوش قسمته Why is she happy هغه ولې خوشحاله ده I cannot stand her happiness زه نشم کولی چې د هغه خوشحالي برداشت کړم stand ول کېږي برداشت کولو ته دلته مطلب چې دی برداشت کول د stand ښه او happiness ول کېږي خوشحالي ته
I am the luckiest girl in the world. I also love him a lot.
I am the luckiest girl in the world زه په دنیا کې تر ټولو خوش قسمته جنۍ یم I also love him a lot زه هم له هغه سره ډیره مینه کوم
Alexa, what are you thinking? How is Jack?
Alexa, what are you thinking ته څه فکر کوې How is Jack Jack څنګه ده
Nothing. I am so happy for you. Jack is also fine. He gave me a diamond necklace.
Nothing هیڅ هم نه I am so happy for you زه ستا لپاره ډیره خوشحاله یم Jack is also fine Jack هم ښه ده He gave me a diamond necklace هغه ماته د الماسو غاړکۍ راکړه
Emily. I have to go now. I am sorry.
Emily I have to go now زه باید اوس لاړ شمه I am sorry زه بخښنه غواړم
What happened, Noah? Is everything okay?
What happened Noah څه واقع شول Noah Is everything okay آیا هر څه ټیک دی
I have to attend a meeting. New clients are going to meet me soon.
I have to attend a meeting زه باید یو دغه میټینګ ته حاضر شمه attend ول کېږي حاضرېدل غونډه میټینګ ول کېږي غونډې ته New clients are going to meet me soon نوي clients به له ما سره زر ملاقات وکړي clients ول کېږي ملګرو په یو کمپنۍ کې چې ته کار کوي که نه او تا ته نور خلک راځي له تا سره مشوره کوي له تا سره مراجعه کوي هغه خلکو ته clients ول کېږي څه دی
You can take the day off, my love. You should spend your time with your sister.
You can take the day off my love ته کولی شي چې رخصتي واخلې زما مینې day off ول کېږي رخصتي ته You should spend your time ته باید تیر کې وخت with your sister له خپلې خور سره
Thanks, darling. I love you so much. I will see you soon.
Thanks darling مننه محبوبه I love you so much زه له تا سره ډېره مینه کوم I will see you soon زه به له تا سره زر ملاقات وکړم
Emily, what does Noah do?
Emily what does Noah do Noah څه کوي
He has his 6 multinational companies. He invested his shares in my company as well.
He has هغه لري his 6 multinational companies خپلې شپږ international کمپنیانې لري He invested his shares in my company as well هغه زما په کمپنۍ کې پانګونه هم وکړه
Oh, I see. He is a multi-millionaire. You are very lucky, my sister.
Oh, I see ښه زه پوه شوم He is a multi-millionaire هغه یو میلیاردرترین ده مولټي میلیونیر ول کېږي میلیاردرترین چې په میلیاردو روپۍ لري هغه ته مولټي میلیونیر ول کېږي You are very lucky my sister ته ډېره خوش قسمته یې زما خورې
Welcome, my daughter. How are you?
Welcome my daughter ښه راغلاست زما لورې How are you څنګه یې ته
Alexa, my sweetie. Why are you crying? What happened?
Alexa my sweetie Alexa زما خوږې Why are you crying ته ولې ژاړې What happened څه واقع شول
Alexa, where are you going? Please say something.
Alexa where are you going ته چیرته روانه یې Please say something مهرباني وکړه یو څه ووایه
Alexa, you have to tell me the truth. Did Jack say something?
Alexa you have to tell me the truth ته باید ما ته رښتیا ووایې truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته Did Jack say something آیا Jack څه درته وویلې
I am your mother. I cannot see tears in your eyes. Please talk to me.
I am your mother زه ستا مور یم I cannot see tears in your eyes زه نشم کولی چې ستا په سترګو کې اوښکې ووینم tears ویل کېږي اوښکې please talk to me مهرباني وکړه له ما سره خبرې وکړه.
Mom, Jack's sister does not like me. She hates me a lot.
What are you talking about? This cannot be happening.
What are you talking about? د څه باره کې خبرې کوي؟ This cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی.
Jack's sister is a decent lady. She has a heart of gold.
Jack's sister is a decent lady. د جیک خور یوه شریفه ښځه ده. Decent ویل کېږي ښه شریف ته. She has a heart of gold. هغه ډېره مهربانه او د ښه طبیعت والا جنۍ ده. Heart of gold مطلب دا ده ښه.
You don't believe your own daughter. Why, Mama?
You don't believe your own daughter. ته په خپلې لور باندې یقین نه کوې. Why, Mama? Why? ولې مورې ولې؟
Why? I am telling the truth, Mom. She just loves herself. She is a greedy.
I am telling the truth, Mom. زه تا ته رښتیا وایم مورې. She just loves herself. هغه له خپل ځان سره مینه کوي. She is a greedy woman. هغه یوه لالچي ښځه ده. Greedy ویل کېږي لالچي ته.
woman.
Fine. Fill me in. What did she do?
Fine. Take the fill me in. ما ته په ډیټیل سره راته ووایه. دا مطلب دی څه دی؟ What did she do? هغې څه وکړل؟
Jack bought a diamond necklace for me. It was so.
Jack bought a diamond necklace for me. Jack زما لپاره یو د الماسو غاړکۍ اخیستې وه. It was so pretty. هغه ډېره ښایسته وه.
So pretty. Jack's sister stole my necklace. I found my necklace in her.
Jack's sister stole my necklace. د جیک خور زما غاړکۍ وتښتوله. I found my necklace. ما خپله غاړکۍ پیدا کړه in her room. د هغې په کوټه کې.
Her bedroom. Jack did not believe me, Mom. I told him the truth. She is a cunning.
Jack did not believe me, Mom. Jack ما باندې یقین ونه کړ. Jack ما باندې یقین ونه کړ مورې. I told him the truth. ما هغه ته رښتیا وویلې. She is a cunning lady, Mama. هغه یوه چالاکه ښځه ده مورې.
Lady Mama. She wants to kick me out.
She wants to kick me out. هغه غواړي چې ما له کور نه وباسي. Kick out ویل کېږي یو څوک شړل له کور څخه. She does not like me. هغه ما نه خوښوي.
Not like me. Jack was not at home. She slapped.
Jack was not at home. Jack په کور کې نه و. She slapped me as well. هغې ما ته څپېړه هم راکړه. Slap ویل کېږي څپېړې ته.
Me as well.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you